The nation's biggest half pot is better than ever this year, thanks to Liberty Federal Credit Union and River City Pro Motorsports. For the first time ever, each half pot ticket you buy in the pre-sales from October 1st through Monday, October the 6th at 7 p.m. gives you 2 chances to win. Not only are you entered into our half pot, you will also have a chance to win a 2025 Polaris Ranger XP donated by River City Pro Motorsports. Starting October 1st, anyone 18 or older can buy a ticket online at nutclubhalfpot.com with a valid debit or credit card, as long as you're in the state of Indiana at the time of purchase. Tickets will also be available for pre-sale in the Meade Johnson parking lot October the 1st through the 5th. Please go to nutclubhalfpot.com for more information.